Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the context where F and O operate in Grow, file modes, flags, or functions. You need access to the Grow project and a working branch. First, open the configuration and enable F and O options. That triggers their parsing. Once enabled, run the initial sync command to populate structures and verify logs for errors. Make sure to note where F influences formatting and where O controls output routing, so subsequent steps target the correct components precisely. Now you modify F and O presence inside specific modules, edit the parser rules and the output mapper. Start by isolating a small test case so changes are reversible, then change F's flag to alter transformation precedence and update O's mapping to redirect outputs to the desired channel. Once changed, run the unit tests and integration test suite, examine diffs, and iterate. Make sure to adjust timeout and buffer values when O aggregates streams, because timing affects ordering and can hide subtle bugs. Finish by deploying F and O adjustments to a staging environment and validating end-to-end flows. Deploy small increments, monitor metrics, and confirm consumers receive the expected formatted payloads. Once stable, promote to production during a low-traffic window and keep rollback steps ready. If output mismatches occur, check O's routing table first and revert to the last known good mapping. As a troubleshooting tip, compare raw logs before and after F transformations to isolate whether F altered structure or O misrouted messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.